Mickey Mouse cash register. I want to hear the sounds, the music. Okay. And how do you scan the card to pay? How do you pay? It's getting stuck. Okay. It comes with many cards, but then my son lost them. Okay.
Which one?
Try it again. Okay, that's very nice.
Why did I lost them?
I don't know how you lost them. Okay, that's good.
Did I
And what is
lost
this for,
them?
Bison? Bison, what is this for? Oh, you're gonna put it away?
Boop boop.
Oh, that's how you scan the food items? Okay. Does it have the on and off button? Can you show mommy? How do you turn it off?